Let us talk about a planet which was discovered just 2 centuries ago. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun, and if you start your journey from the Sun, it would take 2.5 billion kilometers to reach Uranus. Uranus' diameter is around 51,000 kilometers. Its mass is 14 times larger than Earth. Unlike Earth, Uranus is a ice planet. It is full made up of ice and gases. For centuries, Uranus was mistaken as a star because it was so far away. Then on March 31st, 1781, an astronomer named William Herschel, he looked through the night sky and found Uranus. He thought that it was a comet, but later on, after doing a lot of research, it was established that it was a planet. A new planet was discovered in the modern history, and it was named as Uranus. The planet is named after Uranus, the ancient Greek god of the sky. Johanna Elbert Bode proposed this name. Interestingly, Jupiter was named after the son, Saturn after the father, and Uranus after the grandfather. This creates a family tree among the planets. Uranus is called an ice giant because much of its interior contains substances that astronomers call as ice: water ice, ammonia, methane. The planet has three main layers. The core is a very small rocky center, and the mantle is like ocean-like layer of water, ammonia and methane under immense pressure. The atmosphere is mainly made up of hydrogen, helium and methane. The methane absorbs the red light and reflects blue-green light, giving Uranus its beautiful color. Most planets spin almost upright. Earth is tilted by about 23.5 degrees. Uranus a whopping 98 degrees. It's essentially lying on its side. Scientists think a great collision with an Earth-sized object made Uranus to knock forever. As a result, Uranus appears to roll around the Sun like a giant ball. Because of its extreme tilt, Uranus experiences the weirdest seasons in the solar system. One pole can face the Sun continuously for about 42 years, then it spends another 42 years in darkness. A complete orbit around the Sun takes 84 Earth years. So one season on Uranus lasts about 21 Earth years. Imagine a summer lasting longer than your entire life. Tell me which is the coldest planet in the universe. You might think Neptune being further away is the colder. Surprisingly, Uranus holds the record. The lowest temperature measured on Uranus is about minus 224 degrees Celsius. This makes the Uranus the coldest planetary atmosphere in the solar system. Scientists still aren't completely sure why Uranus emits so little internal heat. Many people know Saturn has rings, but Uranus also has rings. Scientists have discovered 13 known rings. These rings are called as dark, thin, and they are mainly made up of ice and rock particles. They are much harder to see than Saturn's bright rings. Uranus also has moons, totally 27. Unlike most planets, these moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. Major moons include Titania, Oberon, Umbriae, Ariel, and Miranda. Miranda is especially fascinating because it looks like it was broken apart and glued back together. Although Uranus looks calm, its atmosphere can be surprisingly active. Scientists have observed massive storms, thick clouds, and powerful winds. Wind speeds can reach over 900 km per hour. That's faster than many aircraft. Only one spacecraft has ever visited Uranus, that is Voyager 2. It flew past the planet in 1986. During the flyby, Voyager 2 discovered new moons, additional rings, atmospheric data, and magnetic field information. Since then, no spacecraft has returned. Many scientists hope a future mission will explore Uranus in great detail. Strange facts about Uranus. It rotates sideways. It is the coldest planet. It has 27 moons. It has 13 rings. 1 year equals 84 Earth years. One season lasts 21 Earth years. It was the first planet discovered with a telescope. Uranus may be one of the most overlooked planets in our solar system, but it is also one of the strangest. A world tipped on its side, wrapped in icy clouds, surrounded by rings and moons, and experiencing seasons that last decades. The more scientists learn about Uranus, the more mysterious it becomes. And perhaps one day a new spacecraft will reveal what secrets still lie hidden beneath its blue-green clouds. Until then, Uranus remains one of the solar system's greatest mysteries. Thank you for watching. If you like more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe.